3, 2, 1, start. The petitioner has approached this court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking a writ of certiorari for quashing the suspension order dated 14/9/2005 issued by the Director, Health Services, Haryana, whereby the petitioner, a senior pharmacist, was placed under suspension pending inquiry. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the suspension order was passed without any prior notice and in gross violation of principles of natural justice. It was further argued that no charge sheet has been served upon the petitioner even after a lapse of more than 2 months, which renders the suspension illegal and arbitrary. Counsel further submitted that the petitioner has an unblemished record of over 20 years and the impugned action has caused irreparable harm to his reputation and career. In response, learned state counsel submitted that the suspension was necessitated in view of serious allegations of misconduct and financial irregularities. It was argued that the department is in the process of finalizing the charge sheet and that the suspension is purely administrative in nature, with no punitive consequences at this stage. After hearing both parties and going through the record, this court is of the view that while the competent authority has the power to suspend an employee, such power must be exercised with due care, especially when it adversely affects the career and dignity of a long-serving officer. The court observes that mere initiation of an inquiry is not sufficient to justify indefinite suspension. The delay in serving the charge sheet reflects administrative lethargy and amounts to denial of fair treatment. The Supreme Court has time and again emphasized that suspension cannot be used as a tool for harassment or punishment. The employer must conclude the inquiry in a time-bound manner for revoke the suspension in the interest of justice. Accordingly, the writ petition is allowed. The impugned suspension order dated 14/9/2005 is hereby quashed. The respondents are, however, at liberty to proceed with the inquiry in accordance with law. No cost.